Everything could have been so beautiful. Last year we moved from Germany to New York. We found a nice apartment and moved in October 2012. Battery Park City is a really nice area and really quiet and calm. But something changed. What happened? Someone wrote an email and changed our life drastically. It would be a huge help if you can try to make a mental note when on the water of any time you see a ferry depart without signaling and then report it. This was an excerpt of the mentioned email. And what happened next? Now we are not able to sleep anymore. This inferno starts early in the morning at 6 a.m. on every weekday. And then the police came and said that I'm not allowed to film here. I've moved my camera some meters away, but the nice sound didn't disappear. I knew that before. Several people wrote complaints to the US Coast Guard. The answer: I feel your pain. When I was growing up, I lived in an apartment in Brooklyn over a Chinese laundry, a block away from the overhead trains. I would love to help you, but the ferry captains are following the rules of the road. The funny thing, when we moved into our apartment in October 2012, there was no Honking Ferry Mayhem. Even the last 25 years, the ferries didn't use their horns. But a simple email changed everything. And no one seems to be able to undo it. Isn't that crazy?